Wait, what's that?
I've never seen that before.
Maybe we should tell a teacher.
This can't be real.
This elevator looks older than our school.
Where are we going?
Our school doesn't have this floor.
Lesson 1. Nobody succeeds alone.
That sounds important.
Work together. Find the solution.
Share. Listen. Think. Help.
These must be clues.
The first lesson is complete.
Real learning begins when nobody tries to win alone. I like this school. Did someone else come down here? Let's stay together.
This place feels strange.
Choose your answer.
I would tell the truth.
People can forgive mistakes.
I think it's leading us.
Help me! The maze keeps changing.
Wait! The arrows only appear when someone stands still.
Sharing ideas is stronger than working alone.
Principal Carter?
I wondered when someone would find the elevator.
You knew about it?
You passed the first 2 lessons, are still ahead. But the real challenges. That's never happened before.
We've been waiting for you.
This place is beautiful.
Welcome, Ben. My name is Elias.
Do you study here?
This place has been hidden. It reminds students that learning is more than tests.
So it's real?
Very real.
Every lesson here begins with kindness, and every answer begins with teamwork.
I think I like this school. Choose together.
I choose kindness.
I choose trust. I think all 3 belong together.
Correct. The best path is never only one lesson. Sit together.
I would tell the teacher.
I would invite that student to sit with us.
I would help first. Winning isn't more important than helping.
Knowledge grows fastest when shared.
So many students.
Grandpa Joe.
Yes, I rode the elevator when I was your age.
You never told me.
I promised I would wait.
The elevator never chooses the smartest child. It chooses the child who keeps learning from others.
I'm still learning every day.
No, it should not open until the final lesson is complete.
Should we go?
If the elevator opened the final floor, it believes you're ready.
The greatest lesson cannot be taught. It must be lived.
Are we back?
This is not today. This is a possible tomorrow.
They all look lonely. Can we eat together?
Small choices change the whole school.
Exactly.
One lesson remains.
This is the heart of the school. It grows stronger every time students choose kindness.
it too!
Many years ago, the elevator taught me that a principal should never stop being a student.
Every generation teaches the next. My job is almost finished. What do you mean? Now it's your turn to inspire others.
Home. The elevator was never the greatest secret. The greatest secret is hidden inside every student who chooses to help someone else. The school.
I think it's saying goodbye.
You may wonder if the elevator will ever return.
I was just thinking that.
It opens when students are ready to learn with their hearts.
Then every student has a chance.
Exactly.
You all look like you've discovered something wonderful.
We learned that helping people is the best lesson.
They always do.
Do you think another story will be written?
Every act of kindness writes a new chapter.
Did your bell just ring?
Maybe. Or maybe I imagined it.
Sleep well, old friend.
It taught us how to be the best teammates.
It's helping someone rise with you.
Sometimes all they need is someone who